Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Inventory Source Automation Review syncing stock levels effectively. Inventory Source Automation Review syncing stock levels effectively is a service designed to help e-commerce businesses automatically synchronize their inventory levels across multiple sales channels. This means if you sell products on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or your own website, this service helps ensure accurate stock counts everywhere, preventing overselling and keeping customers happy. Key features likely include automated data feeds, real-time updates, and multi-platform integration. Their website provides details on the various plans and features available. They emphasize the ease of use and time-saving benefits of automated inventory management. They highlight reduced manual data entry, minimizing errors, and preventing stockouts. The service likely uses API integrations and cloud-based technology to connect to different platforms and efficiently sync data. Information on pricing and availability is available on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Inventory Source Automation Review syncing stock levels effectively. Setting up the service was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my sales channels, and the interface was intuitive from the start. I sell primarily on Shopify and Etsy, and connecting both platforms took less than 30 minutes. Navigating the dashboard was easy, even with my relatively complex inventory setup. I appreciated the clear visualization of stock levels across both platforms, making it simple to identify any discrepancies. The real-time updates worked flawlessly. I tested it by making a few purchases on my Shopify store and watched as the inventory numbers adjusted immediately on both Shopify and Etsy. This was a huge relief, knowing I wouldn't accidentally oversell items. Performance-wise, the service was reliable. I experienced no downtime or significant delays during my testing period. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated low stock alerts. These notifications gave me ample time to replenish inventory before running out. One minor drawback was the lack of a detailed reporting feature, which would have been helpful for analyzing sales trends and optimizing inventory levels further. I did have a quick question about setting up custom rules, and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a clear and helpful answer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Inventory Source Automation Review syncing stock levels effectively. While it could benefit from a few additional features, it effectively solved my inventory syncing challenges and saved me a significant amount of time. That's my overview of Inventory Source Automation Review syncing stock levels effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.